In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working on Discord. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening Discord and locating the gear icon in the lower left corner to enter user settings. This is where most audio settings live, so take a moment to get familiar with the menu. From the left-hand menu, select Voice and Video. That section lets you control input and output devices, sensitivity, and other voice options. Under Input Device, open the drop-down and choose your microphone. If you have multiple devices listed, pick the one you know you want to use. After selecting it, observe the input volume slider and make sure it is set to a reasonable level so Discord can pick up your voice. If the device doesn't appear, try unplugging and replugging an external mic or switching USB ports before moving on. Once the correct input is selected, click the Let's Check button next to Mic Test to verify audio. Speak naturally into the mic and listen to the playback. This test is quick and tells you whether Discord is receiving any signal. If you hear yourself clearly, you're done. If there's no sound or the playback is distorted, proceed to the next troubleshooting action. If no sound is detected, update your system and audio drivers via Device Manager. On Windows, open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and choosing Device Manager. Then expand the audio input and output or sound, video, and game controller sections. Right-click the appropriate device and select Update Driver. Installing the latest driver can resolve many compatibility or recognition issues. Return to Voice and Video in Discord and scroll down to the Debugging section. Click Reset Voice and Video Settings and confirm when prompted. This restores Discord's audio configuration to defaults, which can clear misconfigurations that block your microphone. After resetting, restart Discord and rejoin your voice channel. A fresh start often allows the new settings and drivers to take effect. Lastly, check your system permissions. On Windows, go to Settings. In Settings, then Privacy and Security, and open Microphone. Ensure that microphone access is enabled and that desktop apps are allowed to use it. For external microphones, make sure the connection is secure in the USB port or 3.5mm jack, and try a different port if needed. Gentle twists and reseating can fix loose connections. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be back on voice chat with a working mic in no time.